To solve this, we have to look for a number that is common to these given numbers. And you realize that 11 is common to both 88 and 66. So that we will have square root of, if you are to express 88 in terms of 11, this would give 8 times 11 square plus 66 will be 6 times 11 square. Now we can separate this so that we have the square root of 8 squared times 11 squared, then plus 6 squared times 11 squared. Don't forget that these are together. Then solving further, we will have the square root of, let's bring out 11 squared since it is common to both, so that we have 11 squared bracket. If we bring out 11 squared from here, we will be left with 8 squared, then plus here we will be left with 6 squared. So this can also be written as the square root of 11 squared times the square root of 8 squared plus 6 squared. So that the square root of 11 squared will give 11, because the square, we cancel the square root, and then we have times the square root of 8 squared is 64, then 6 squared is 36. So this will be the same thing as 11 times the square root of 100, and this will give 11 times 10, and the answer will be 110. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more.